Hello guys, welcome to Plus Equal. Today we'll talk about the start and update method. What's the main difference between them, how to use them, that sort of things. And if you have been following the videos from this playlist, in the last tutorial we used start method to change the game object position, but we didn't explain very well what it means to use that. I will open the same script, plus this script right here. As you can see, we use the start method to change the position of a game object. And what it means to use the start method is to say that whatever is inside these parentheses will be done before the game starts, or if you want, before the first frame update. This means that whenever we hit play, all these inside the start method will compile, and when we see the first frame of the game, everything inside this should be done. Now, to not mess up with that, we'll create another script only for this tutorial, and let's call it start update method tutorial. Let's open this, and now we will check for the difference between using start and update. We can do the same thing that we did in the hello world. We'll do a debug.log, and let's print hello dear viewer. And let's save, and this should print to the console one time hello dear viewer. Let's go to Unity. Let's assign the script to something here. I'll put it in the camera, why not? Okay, let's hit play, and you can see it down here, but if you go to the console, we have hello dear viewer one time. It's just like the hello world that we created in the first videos of the channel. But now if we put this, if we copy this to the update, and if we put hello dear subscriber, it's fancier. Let's save this. Let's go to Unity again, and let's press play to see the difference. You can see that this is updating every frame. While this was called once, this is being called a lot of times. If you don't have this like this, it's because you have collapse not enabled. If you press collapse, this will debug every time. You can see the bar going up, but I prefer this way. So this was called almost 5,000 times. I will stop it. And this applies to everything in Unity. I hope you guys learned the difference between start and update method. Thank you a lot for watching this short video. I will see you in the next one. Stay safe.